6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Welcome back to Geno's Gizmos. A little over a year ago, I purchased this Ryobi bandsaw from a local fella through Facebook Marketplace. This is a Ryobi model number BS904G. The 9 means it's a 9-inch base. Has a 62-inch bandsaw on it. In other words, the band is 62 inches long. When I purchased this, there were some issues. The band wouldn't stay on. It seemed like everything was just out of adjustment, or so I thought. After spending approximately 10 minutes trying to get this band to stay on, I finally decided to disassemble the top wheel and remove the eccentric to see what was going on. Okay, I should be using a wheel puller to pull this off. The problem is, I couldn't find my wheel puller. I know it's around the shop somewhere. So this is the eccentric sleeve, and it's broken. The eccentric itself is chewed up, and the bolt that holds them all together is stripped. One of the bolts that holds the sleeve on is stripped. The tensioner bolt is stripped, and the wheel, or actually the handle for the tensioner, is stripped. A lot of parts needed to be ordered. So how did this all happen? Well, I think it fell off a bench, landed on the handle for the eccentric cam. And through the wonders of the interwebs, within 3 days, I had all the parts I needed to repair this machine. And while waiting for the parts, I had a chance to reassemble the upper wheel to the tensioner body and to clean up the band guides. As it had been several days since I worked on this unit, disassembling all the parts that were broken, I had to stop and figure out how to put it all back together again. So you'll see me in this video take it apart and put it together and take it apart and put it together until I get it right. This table was frustrating me. I couldn't get it to go back into its slots. Turns out the little indicator arrow was in the way. Once I took it off, everything fell into place. And with the table reassembled, it was time to put the band, or the bandsaw, back together. Band installed, I could now adjust the blade guides. There's one above and one below the table. These have to be adjusted to center the blade as it runs through the table, and it holds it steady. Okay, let's quit playing and let's cut something. I mean, that's what this is here for. Let's do it. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.